Hello everyone, welcome to the intraday video for Bitcoin price prediction and based of course on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support this channel with a like for the video and subscribe if you didn't yet subscribe, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting directly on the 15-minute chart here for Bitcoin on the intraday video today, I want to share what happened, of course. So far we were expecting a 1, 2, 3, and as I said in the last video, we don't want to see any rejection. If we want to be impulsive, we need to continue down, right? And we went a little bit in the 5-minute chart. We saw that this is okay, 1, 2, 3, and we are looking to a wave 4, which is potentially still unfolding. However, we have reached already the 0.5, which is not really nice. If we continue there to the 0.618 one more time again, which is very obviously these days now, Bitcoin tends to invalidate any impulse on both sides, up and down. So that, of course, due to the volatility of the upcoming news, which are very interesting news again for today, which most of the investors are waiting for this the whole year actually. That's why it's very important. So we might see like some changes, some reversal today. However, just to make sure that we are on the safe track, if this form now to 1, 2 towards the upside, then for this is of course a zigzag, right? We are just calling in case. First thing that we want to see as signal of reversal is first touching the 0.68, taken from that point here till this point, the retracement, of course, right? Once we see the retracement has been touched directly, the possibilities for an impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goes very, very low. What comes next after to check? You are still looking even at 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and potentially 3 waves up for a diagonal, right? As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing this expanded flat as a running flat. Okay, 5 waves ended exactly in the mid of that flat. So this is a potential. Be careful. Watch my educational video, of course, in the link below, how an expanded flat transformed to a running flat, which is mostly rare, but it can really happen, especially of what we are looking for now in this market, the reversal and the volatility that is happening. So most rare scenarios can just simply happen now, right? Because of what is going on. Therefore, of course, be careful. Now, the next scenario after all is, of course, as we said, a finished diagonal and finishing this as a running flat. One more very impulsive scenario towards the downside could be that we have transformed this to a 1, 2. So very possible that this has transformed also to, for the leg, 1, 2, and then 1, 2 again. So if we transform this retracement to a wave 2 retracement, here we go. We are already looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 0.4. As we saw in the video before, we made an analysis for this leg that it can be already a finished impulse 5 waves. So that could be even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC for wave 2. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And then ABC for 1, 2, which makes double 1, 2 towards the downside. Okay, so that is very, very likely. And the formation of the 1, 2, 1, 2, when you see this 1, 2 a little bit, like the size is a little bit smaller than the first one, it increases the possibility of a 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so be careful. A contracting diagonal shape might falls you sometimes when it says, okay, it looks like like a diagonal, but it could be a very, very 1-2-1-2. So anyway, possibly that we go first to a diagonal. So if we see a wave 5 here, and we cross it down, then that means we are impulsive in double 1-2. This is your confirmation, of course, that we are in double 1-2. If we see a longer wave 5 than this wave 3, that means no, we are in 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the scenarios. Now, of course, we are still here very bullish, right? Finishing in diagonal or finishing in an impulse in case we don't invalidate the impulse towards the downside, looking for more wave 3, 4, 5, and double 1-2. So these are all bearish scenario. Now, where we are bullish in this case, going back to the wave 4 retracement, if we go back here, this is your first invalidation. Your second confirmation that we are bullish is that we pass, of course, the trend line, this one exactly, just to be more precise. You take the copy paste parallel from the 1 to the 3 and you drag it to the 2. Your second confirmation that we are bullish is once this lag becomes higher than this one, okay? Because your wave 4, when your wave 4 becomes bigger than your wave 2, then this is an invalidation of your contracting diagonal. That means we're not gonna go for a wave 5. That means we're going higher, right? So this is your second confirmation. So 1, 2, and then after this, your last bullish scenario, your last confirmation, where we have, of course, again, or let's just take this one since it is there. So wave 2 retracement. The last confirmation, that's already, so if we already pass this trend line, okay, then of course we already touched the 886, and this is invalidated, and then we can call a bullish scenario once we break this trend line taken from the 1 to the 3 parallel to the 2 here, right? This is your 100% confirmation that we are bullish or reversing, or whatever we want to call it. So first of all, be careful that, of course, we are still bearish so far, and you're to be watched here for some reversal. Thank you for watching. That was it for the intraday video, and I hope that you liked it. If you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to support the channel by subscribing if you didn't yet. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.